Now, it's the birthday of the Buddha today, and millions of people around the world are marking that religious occasion. But in his birthplace in Nepal, rising air pollution is causing some alarm. BBC World Service environment reporter Navin Singh Khadka had been to Lumbini to see how monks and pilgrims are coping.
Sacred and spiritual. This is where Buddha was born more than 2,600 years ago. Worshippers from around the world gather in Lumbini for prayer. While the spiritual spot may be good for the soul, it's not so beneficial for your health. A murky, dirty haze lingers in the air.
I at times have difficulties breathing properly and have to cough. And we have at our meditation center had certain meditators who have had an asthma condition, and during their stay here in Lumbini as meditators, it has badly affected them.
The historic site is a major tourism draw, but many visitors feel uneasy breathing in the air.
Seeing the sky, like the smog in the night, you cannot see some buildings, some monasteries in the distance. And yes, and I mean, here in Lumbini, in the Kathmandu Valley also, it's like my impression. And of course, I'm not a scientist, but I feel quite sure like it's getting worse.
The sacred site is already a pollution hotspot because dirty air blows in from India. But there's also an industrial area down the road. The factories should be at least 15 kilometers away, but many are as close as 8, breaking the government's regulations. When the wind blows towards Lumbini, the pollution deposited at the holy site is more than 10 times the World Health Organization's standards. A filter paper in this machine will tell us the level of pollution in Lumbini. Wow, that's almost black. This filter paper was like that, plain white, when it was placed here 20 hours ago.
जुन स्टडीले देखाउँछ अहिलेसम्म स्वास्थ्य संस्थाहरूमा आउने बिरामीहरू र जिल्लाका अरू क्षेत्रहरूबाट स्वास्थ्य संस्थाको रिपोर्टहरू पनि हामीले हेर्दाखेरि धेरै स्वास्थ्यमा प्रभाव पार्ने फोक्सोसँग रिलेटेड रोगीहरूको संख्या चाहिँ बढी देखिन्छ, छालासँग रिलेटेड रोगीहरूको संख्या चाहिँ बढी देखिन्छ.
Scientists have warned that the rising air pollution is already damaging historic artifacts. The government is aware of this and says it's investigating where all the pollution comes from. It knows it can't put off forever the decision to shut down local factories to save the religious site. Navin Singh Khadka, BBC News, Lumbini, Nepal.